भारतीय रेल में बच्चों की भागीदारी एवं जागरूकता बढ़ाने के लिए रेल प्रशासन द्वारा लगातार कई कार्यक्रम आयोजित किए जा रहे हैं। इस संबंध में कटिहार रेल मंडल के प्रवर मंडल कार्मिक अधिकारी अतुल कुमार मिश्रा ने बताया कि कटिहार रेल मंडल में भी बच्चों की भागीदारी एवं जागरूकता बढ़ाने के लिए मंडल अंतर्गत आने वाले विभिन्न स्टेशन पर 23 विद्यालयों में कार्मिक विभाग के द्वारा निबंध, चित्रकला, कविता, पाठ एवं भाषण प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया गया।
On the topic of importance of railway system in modern India. The impact of railway system in modern India is really great. The Indian Railway is actually known as the lifeline of India. Nowadays, it became the most important means of transportation of passengers and goods transport. The Indian Railway operated 11,000 trains and more than 1 million tons of freight are transported daily. It is working daily for providing facilities to the passengers. The first train was run from Mumbai to Thane. The Indian railway system is ranking the 4th largest railway system in the world. It is the most efficient and cost-effective means of communication for us. It has contributed a lot to the modern society. In the field of communication, railway system plays a very important role. We cannot delineate its importance in a word or two. From here, I would like to conclude my short speech. If you find any mistake in my speech, please forgive me, consider your own. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
I'd like to call the next speaker, Suhan Akhtar. Please come on the stage and deliver a speech on the topic of health is well. Suhan Akhtar.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to convey my deepest love and regards to all of my respected teachers, guests and my dear friends. I am Suhan Akhtar, a 6th standard student of this institute, is going to deliver a short speech on health is well. Health generally means a thing that has some money value, but in a wider sense, it means everything that is regarded as valuable and good. In this sense, health also is wealth. Perhaps the most precious is wealth. Let us examine this statement. The life of a man is broken in health, is a burden to him. He finds no interest and no joy in life. He may have immense riches, but that do not bring him any happiness. His cook may prepare rich and tempting dishes, but he cannot taste them. He may have intelligence and learning, but he cannot use them either for his own benefit or for the benefit of others. Now consider the case of a poor but healthy man. He relies his food, however poor, and derives benefit from it.
जिसका शीर्षक विकसित भारत का विकसित रेल था, जिसमें करीब 3000 छात्र एवं छात्राओं ने भाग लिया, जिसमें सफल विजेताओं को आगामी 26 फरवरी को आयोजित कार्यक्रम के दौरान पुरस्कृत किया जाएगा।
एक अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट कैसा होना चाहिए? जहां खाना स्वादिष्ट हो, प्राइस कम हो और बेहतर साफ सफाई भी हो। क्यों, है ना? अगर आपको चाहिए ऐसा ही रेस्टोरेंट तो नमस्ते कटिहार आपका स्वागत करता है। चाहे तंदूरी खाने का सवाल हो या मॉकटेल का, हर चीज में है मास्टरी हासिल। ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट ना कहीं देखा और ना ही कहीं सुना। नमस्ते कटिहार सबका चहीता, बैंक्वेट हॉल और पार्किंग की सुविधा के साथ।